To start, begin by holding your aerial carrier. Look at the buttons inside your carrier. Adjust these buttons to fit your baby properly. The carrier should hit at the edge of your baby's knee pits. Adjust accordingly. Snap the buttons on both sides to secure the fit. Look for the tag that says this side up. Wear the carrier on your natural waist. Take the waist strap and loop it through the square buckle. Pull the strap behind you and buckle it securely. Grab your baby and place them in front of the panel. With one hand, hold your baby to your chest, using your other hand to scoop the fabric up around you and your baby, creating a secure seat. With the other hand, take the strap and place it over your shoulder. Swap hands and buckle the strap on one side. Repeat the process with the second strap. Place it over your shoulder, ensuring it's positioned comfortably on the edge of your shoulder. Pull the strap across your back and buckle it securely. Lift while tightening the straps to ensure everything is snug. You're all set. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy baby wearing.